Everyone and welcome to my channel Economics Enquiries. Here I will discuss the MCQ from social science, and you know that in your upcoming exam in the month of October you will get 60 marks of social science. So from today I will discuss 10 MCQs and you try to give the answer while writing in your copy. First one is Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is known for lions, tigers, black buck or rhino. So what will be the answer? So Jim Corbett National Park is known for what? It will be tigers. So remember, Jim Corbett National Park is known for tigers. Second one, you see question number 40. Rajaji National Park is located in option A Delhi, option B Uttarakhand, option C Tamil Nadu or option D Karnataka. So what will be the answer? So answer will be Uttarakhand or Uttar Pradesh. Rajaji National Park. Then next you see which one is an endangered animal. So first one you see lion tail macaque, option B Hanuman monkey, option C langur or option D antelope. So which one will be the answer? So 41 correct answer is what? Lion tail macaque is the endangered animal. That is, the animal is in the verge of extinction. Okay. Now next you see wildlife consists of. So wildlife consists of what? A carnivore animals, B domesticated animals, C organisms found in wild or D plants and animals in their natural habitats. So what will be the answer? So answer will be wildlife consists of not only animals but also plants. So plants and animals in their natural habitats. Then next you see which one is endangered species of India. So option A is horse, option B is elephant, option C is Indian wild ass, option D tortoise. So the correct answer of question number 43 will be Indian wild ass is the endangered species of India. Next you see tiger reserves in India for Project Tiger are. So for Project Tiger, what will be the tiger reserves in India? Option A more than 6, option B 14 to 16, option C 12 to 14, option D 10. So what will be the answer? So 44 correct answer is more than 6. Tiger reserves means, as we know, tigers are in the verge of extinction. So for protection of tiger, there are some special rules and regulations that are made by Government of India for protection of tigers, and that is known as Project Tiger. Then you see Siberian crane is a regular visitor of bird sanctuary. So what will be the answer? First one you see Ranganathito Karnataka, then you see Bharatpur Rajasthan, then Vadantangal Tamil Nadu or Lalbagh Karnataka. What will be the answer? So 45 correct answer is Bharatpur Rajasthan. Next you see plant species on verge of extinction due to overexploitation is Centella or option B Podophyllum, option C Glorisa or option D all of these. So 46 correct answer will be Podophyllum. So you try to write in your copy so that it will help you. It may appear that some of the questions may come. So you try to note in your copy. Then next you see WWF and has logo for conservation of. That is, what is the logo of conservation of WWF? Option A tiger, option B giant panda, option C red panda, option D polar bear. So 47 correct answer will be option 47 correct answer will be option C red panda. So red panda is the logo for observation, very important, WWF. Okay, option number, then you see question number 48, Kaziranga National Park is located in the state of. So it is a very simple question, easy question. So question number 48 correct answer will be what? Option A Assam, option B West Bengal, option C Kerala, option D Karnataka. So what will be the answer? So 48 correct answer will be option A, that is Kaziranga National Park situated in Assam. Okay, so these are the 10 MCQs that I have discussed with you today. Then next, come to this part. You see here, crop residue allowed to decay and decompose in farmland is called mulching, strip cropping, contour farming, or terracing. What will be the answer of question number 26? So it will be mulching. Then you see para rubber is obtained from the latex of. So para rubber किससे मिलता है? Latex of what? Ficus elastica or Hevia gracilis or Carica papaya or Musa paradiscaya.